So am I audible?
Yeah,
In which class is studying?
my daughter is in 12th grade, means
Hmm?
intermediate in India.
Intermediate in India. Oh, great. In which stream she is doing study?
She's in bio, I mean, like bioscience, means like a medical related.
Okay, biology.
By PC in India, by PC,
Yeah,
biology.
biology and physics, chemistry.
Yeah.
Great. My daughter is in ninth class, and my son is
Ah,
7th class, and my
what class?
daughter is first class.
First class, huh?
Hmm.
Oh, okay, nice.
So you are in New Jersey alone or with your family? Are you, I think,
Oh, I'm with family.
okay. Daughter is only studying in India.
What is that?
No, only daughter is studying in India.
No, we all here. We all in US.
Okay, all are in India. You are only there in.
Oh, all in US. They born over here and they are studying over here. So
Mhm.
we we are long timers. Okay, we came here very long time back.
Okay, okay. Great. So you have a H1 visa there.
What is that? I'm sorry.
You have a H1 visa there or
What
citizen.
is that?
H1 visa you have there.
No, not H1. We are citizens.
Okay, you are citizens there. Oh, good.
Can you give me 2 minutes? I'll be back.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I just need to load something.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, Narendra, I'm back.
Yeah, it's okay, Srinivas.
She is taking some exam. She wanted to print out. The printer was stuck, it seems.
Okay,
So,
okay.
needed my help.
Mm-hmm.
So, you are located in Delhi, Noida?
Yeah, my office in Greater Noida. I have constructed my own building. I have purchased plot there.
Uh,
So two-story building is
in where?
there.
Canada?
Greater Noida, in Noida Extension.
Ah, how far
So
is
there are,
Gurgaon?
yeah, near Gurgaon.
Okay.
So uh, from there I am running my company,
Oh, you have your own
and
company set up.
yeah, I'm my
Nice.
own company, VTS Consultants and Projects Private Limited.
Okay.
I'm director of this company, and in utility sector, I have 10 years plus experience in SAP ISU device management. I have experience of billing.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I have experience with DM and AMI.
Mm-hmm.
So I have worked on multiple implementation projects.
Mm-hmm.
I was there in Ministry of Electricity and Water Kubai, so I was there in 4 years. So
Mm-hmm.
I started uh, from the requirement gathering from the client, then baseline configuration of the system, then
Okay.
your business blueprint preparation, then sign up of the BBP from the clients, then UAT preparation, then data migration. After data
Mm-hmm.
migration, we develop all the functional specification, then we develop all the enhancements with the help of
Mm-hmm.
AWeber. We work on all the reports, whatever was the required from the clients. Then we did
Oh, nice.
data migration activities. After data migration activity,
Mm-hmm.
we did parallel go live of the 40 branches. After that, we did data migration. After that, we supported. After that, I worked for
Oh.
the Wipro
Mm-hmm.
for the CC project. After that, I worked for the Infosys for the Florida Power Light.
Oh,
I
yeah. Power light. I
yeah.
worked over there.
Then I worked the your Saskar Canada project. So that was from my uh,
Oh.
own company project. So I work on. I also took different projects from my company. So I do
So, did
the
you work on did you work on S4 of ISU?
yes for HANA is your database. So in
No, no,
ISU,
on ISU.
yeah, yeah, I work for the ISU. I am a ISU consultant, functional consultant,
Uh-huh.
and I do also the resourcing to other vendors. I have vendors Dino High Tech Solution. So
Uh,
through them, I do the resourcing to your Wipro, Tech Mahindra. I have my partner, your DTJ Solution. Through them, I do the resourcing to the your Deloitte and others companies also. I have a
oh,
tie up with another multiple companies. Through them, I do the resourcing.
okay.
So and
Nice.
then I think for the training, I just planned just few months before,
Uh-huh.
and I'm getting a good response. Means within a few months, just I have 50 plus students base right now. So
Uh-huh.
it's a great
Okay.
progress for this also training,
Mm-hmm.
and some of them have been placed in top IT companies also, in Tech Mahindra
Okay.
and in other companies. So they are getting placed also. So that is
Uh,
also good growth for them also. And
exactly.
there was one candidate in US also, Dinesh
Uh-huh.
Rajagopal, who they might had gave training. Right now he is working the TCS in utility project.
So in India, in US, what is happening is where the kind of implementations as of now are little less for ISU. Uh,
Hmm.
but some majority is going with Deloitte and another one is with Infosys.
Yeah, they are
So
the giant company.
So that is what is happening.
Mm-hmm.
But they are like, vendors over here. So consulting, they do the consulting.
Mm-hmm.
So for us, for we, I, I am a consultant like you.
Mm-hmm.
So like if I get to know like details, intrinsics of these ones, so they would take me as a consultant. I do not want to join as a full-time employee to them.
Oh.
So that is what I am in. And
Yeah, we're gonna
for
work in a collaboration. Also, you can take more and more projects from there. I will give you all the knowledge.
yeah,
So you can
exactly,
outsource here. So with the help of my team, and I will be also involved in the project.
exactly.
So we can deliver and
So I
we can get a good revenue
know what,
with collaboration of
right? We
both.
do. Yep, exactly. That is what I am looking basically. For
Mm-hmm.
us, like we do have a lot of projects in Canada than US. For ISU, more projects
Mm-hmm.
are in Canada. So
Mm-hmm.
for we are like citizens, right? We can work anywhere, like either
Yeah.
Canada or anywhere. I do have my own company.
Oh, great.
So like but like they in Canada, like they can let us to work like on remote. So
Mm-hmm.
hardly need to go like once a month or couple of months once.
Mm-hmm.
The base is like I should first thing is like I should have command, like like to crack the interview. Number one point.
Yeah, of course. You should have knowledge up to that. So then,
Right,
once you'll be involved in the project, then you can outsource other work and all the things.
right, right. So for ISU, so far all I did was I have worked around like total 4 projects so far.
Mm-hmm.
But on ECC I have worked.
Mm-hmm.
But like when you say ISU, it is like kind of integration of other modules also, right?
Yeah.
Like for ISU, they will have other modules also. So in that way, I worked on FICO. I have worked, and like for on ISU side, I have worked on front end. What you CS customer service.
Okay, customer service
Uh,
CRM.
yeah, CCS, olden days.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that I have worked, and and partially I have worked on FICA.
Mm-hmm.
Um, partially I have worked on FICA,
Mm-hmm.
and billing module, like like what is that? There are multiple billings, very little
Yeah.
bit like budget
Yeah.
billing or like
Mm-hmm.
some little extent I work.
Mm-hmm.
So what I am looking is right now the requirements. When we see the requirements I am seeing, I do
Mm-hmm.
not know specific reason. I do not know what reason is why it is like that, but it looks like now we are getting little more DM related requirements.
Yeah,
DM
because in the ISU utilities, device
mm,
management is the base. Because suppose first we start the your technical master
right.
data,
Looks like they
in
do have
technical
some
master data.
changes.
Mm-hmm.
They have some changes so happened over here it seems.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, um, 1 second. 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
హలో రవి, అమ్మ మీటింగ్లో ఉన్నాను నేను. ఒక ఒక 40 minutes పడుతుంది నాది. ఇంకొక 30 to 40. ఎప్పుడు ఏ టైము? సో ఎల్లుండి కదా, ఇంకా టైం ఉంది కదా. డోంట్ వరీ, వీ కెన్ మేక్ ఇట్. తీసుకో తీసుకో తీసుకో. ఏ టైము? ఆఫ్టర్నూనా? సరే సరే, తీసుకో తీసుకో తీసుకో. యా తీసుకో. ఓకే, యా బాయ్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ, ఐఎమ్ బ్యాక్.
Yeah, it's
సో
okay.
that is like DM is the key. It's not the key, but I do not know some reason. By default FICA we are getting very good requirements, but like
Mm-hmm.
but DM DM is, let me ask you this, is something like DM is related to PM?
Yeah, suppose if you are DM consultants, you should have knowledge of the PM. You should have knowledge of the MM also, and you should know how to
Mm,
integrate with the billing. You should know how to integrate with the CRM. You should know how to
DM.
integrate with the third-party systems like suppose for the meter reader or meter reading agency. So how to integrate with other, how the
Uh-huh.
meter read will come, how the meter read will be schedules, how
Mhm.
the so all the meter read upload download. Suppose if meters come, if any inconsistency in the meter, so how the system will do the data validation.
Mm.
And suppose if that meter reading is failed, so how that will create your outsort, and it will go in any users
Okay.
who will take care about that. So all
Okay.
the, and suppose which
So
type the meter we are going
and
to use.
another thing is like, what major changes are like, from ECC to S4, Narendra, like, from DM side,
From
there are
DM side,
major changes
from
are
the
there.
functional side, nothing changes.
Mm,
When you work the
mm,
evaper, so in
mm.
evaper just there are some changes in the coding. Suppose if you are going for any
Okay.
development, any enhancement. So in
Uh,
coding, nothing. I had asked to one my evaper. So he was saying that nothing
mm,
too much differences, but it is in S4 HANA. It is more easy to write the code. Like suppose your MS Word, your 7 and MS Word in the 10 version 10.
mm,
So we get
mm.
lots of the extra features, same like in the S4 HANA in the
Okay.
coding. And
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
but from the
So
functional
nothing
point of
much.
view, nothing changes. The same
Mm.
configuration you have to do, the same customization you need to do.
Okay. And for me, what I'm doing is that, like, I'm getting ready, like, actually the reason is I left the job, my project, like, for my India trip, and I was in India for my property issues, so, like it
Mm-hmm.
took little longer time. I was
Mm-hmm.
there, and it's like, and after that the holiday season came, and I'm not
Mm-hmm.
so serious, but
Mm-hmm.
definitely I wanted to uh, get
Project.
into back to the project, like, at least by
Yeah. So I will make prepare up
like
to me
start.
say within 15 to 20 days.
uh,
You'll be able to crack the interview in the device management.
right.
I will make up to that level.
Okay.
Don't worry about
Okay.
that.
Okay. So that is my scenario. Actually, I have to get ready, like, for FICA and what is that? This one, DM.
Yeah, device
Mm,
management.
this is the biggest module, right? Compared to any
Yeah,
other modules.
yeah, device management means you have to become an expert in every
Okay.
sector.
Okay. I do not know, but whether it is big or small, I'm not sure. But I never got a chance to work on to
Yeah, not
DM.
issue.
So, so that
I'm
is
sharing the
my
screen right now.
okay. And any T codes changes
No,
happened or same T?
no T code. No T code
Huh?
changes. Nothing.
Okay. No T codes.
But T codes are
No
there.
change in the T code. No
No
change
T
in the
code.
T code. That's what you
No,
say.
no changes in the T codes.
Mm.
And sup- suppose the client asks that we do not want this T code and all the things, so we give this feasibility from the CRM side. So we just launch T codes launcher from the CRM side. So just they click there, and the in the background that T codes run.
Okay.
Suppose some process we do the enhancement, some process we do the automation. Suppose some process is lengthy, like in installation,
Uh-huh.
removal, and
Okay.
replacement. Suppose so if technician wants at the site, and he do the meter installation. He just suppose take the picture that he has completed the meter installation, and so we can develop the program in DMS, and then in the background we can use the FM, and we can develop the program. So by using that program in the background, so with the help of the paper, we write the FS, and we can do that automation. So for the user point of view, just he will click, and in the background, the same T codes and all the data will get populated,
Okay.
updated, and in the background it will get installed. But from the functional point of view, we have to learn everything. Then you can go for that enhancement, development, and all the things.
Okay. So this one is S4 or else like what is that? Yeah.
No,
This
it's
one.
in normal ISU. Just for HANA, yeah, it's your database only.
Oh, is HANA only, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because we have worked in different projects, so their utilities company just uses that S4 HANA database.
Okay. So that means this one is a HANA on HANA database only.
Now that is, I don't know, because that basis consultant know. But it is this server I have purchased for the IDS server. This is so. This is for the training and practice purpose only.
Okay.
As for any implementation companies take the license from the SCP, then they do
What
all
is
the
what about that CS module? This one,
CS or customer service.
right,
In
customer service.
yeah, in service, customer service, we do move in, move out, all this process of the CS. So thoroughly we'll go through basic knowledge of all the process, your DM, billing, FICA, and CS also, because we'll complete all the cycle from end to end. We'll do all the meter to guys process. So in that we'll do all the process, but in depth we'll do for the device management.
Okay.
Because in the interview they sometimes ask from the billing parts also. Sometimes they ask for the basic knowledge about the FICA also, because if you are consultant, so you should know all the
Right.
modules, basic things.
Okay. 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 And another quick question is, now there is another one we came into the market, BRIM, BRIM.
BRIM, yeah, BRIM.
So what is there any relation between this to that?
Yeah, yeah. For BRIM, to know the BRIM, first you get the knowledge of the FICA, and after that you can go from the BRIM. That is the convergent invoicing.
Right, that I know. All I am asking is ISU to link between. Is there any link between ISU to BRIM?
Yeah.
Is there any link?
You should have
sense?
first. Yeah, you should have the first knowledge of the ISU. Then you can go for the BRIM.
So that means in the future, in the place of ISU, BRIM will be used?
Yeah, in ISU, BRIM is used, convergent billing is used.
In ISU?
Some
No,
company use, some company they are adopting the BRIM technology, but it's several company who is currently adopting the. But if you get the project, mostly all the old IORCC, ISU they are using, because they have already implemented a utility. So whatever company are doing the upgradation, then they are using that BRIM.
Okay. Who already have that, they are bringing the BRIM.
Yeah. So they are just upgrading, because company always upgrade their software and all the things. But for that also you should have first knowledge of the utility, then you can go for the BRIM.
Okay. Okay.
So you have already worked in ERP
Yes.
system. So you already know about client, company code, plan, sales, target, division, storage, all the things. Structure
Yeah.
you already know.
Right.
In utility sector, first we do generation, then we do the transmission, then we do the distribution, and
Right.
then we do the customer service and billing. So our SAP world start from the customer service and billing.
Right.
In CRM, like we do all the work management or your company related. In
Mm.
PM, we create the service order. You already know about that. Job related, any like service inspection, any service order for the meter
Right. Right.
installation, service order for the meter removal, service order for the your meter replacement,
Yeah.
all the service related activity we create in the PM.
In PM, huh?
Yeah. So
What is
this is
that?
a
That is like, service ordering, complaint, and after
yeah.
that, like, so those are related. Those are related to CRM or else customer service, right?
CRM is a front end. Means we do the initiation only from the CRM, but
Mm.
in the back end, all the PM
Mm.
activities run in any complaint.
Oh, okay.
Suppose
Move in, move out.
if you create from the CRM like a service, suppose anyone call your customer service that my
Mm.
meter is faulty.
Mm.
So you'll create a service request for the meter inspection. So service
Mm.
order will get created from the plant maintenance.
Okay.
So all the customization, all the things will be done in the plant maintenance. All activities will be done. We will create the service order. Then the service order, it may be a company technician or maybe any third party vendor.
Mm.
Then any supervisor, any clerk who will be responsible, then he will assign that jobs
Mm.
to any
Mm.
technician. That technician
Mm.
may get that job in their mobile or suppose in the paper also.
Mm.
Then they will go at the site,
Mm.
and the site they will do inspection, whatever work will be assigned to them. So they will do the technical confirmation. So technical confirmation from IW41 we do from the PM.
Okay.
Okay, we will have to after 30 minutes. Actually, this is
Okay.
30 minutes session now only.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
after again we have to rejoin.
Right. Right. Oh, that's okay. I think we'll be done in 30 minutes. So how many more minutes we have?
Your meeting will end in 10 minutes. It is showing. Okay, once
10
it will
minutes, huh?
finish.
Okay. Let's go to next slide. So how that SD will be interlinked to the billing, I guess.
Yeah, SD
Okay.
is interlinked with the billing. Suppose like when we had implemented in Ministry of MEW project, so
Mm.
a customer using different types of the meter. So that was their
Mm.
client requirement. That
Mm.
first we have to take the payment for that particular meter from the
Mm.
customer. Once he
Mm.
do the payment, then we'll issue the meter.
Yeah.
So that meter prices we had maintained in the SD
Mm.
from VK 11,
Mm.
and then we are creating the SD first invoice, and
Mm.
just we are taking that payment. After
Mm.
taking the payment, then we had to develop the enhancement. So system first to do the validation. If we receive the payment, then system will allow for that. You create the service order for that your installation.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that part we do the in SD.
Okay. Okay. I got you. Let's go to next one.
This is your ISU
Data.
data model. This is your all the master data.
Mm.
In ISU, their technical master data. In technical master data, we create the connection object. Connection object is your building premise.
Mm.
Then we create the premise. Then we create the installation. for the installation, which type of services we are providing to the customer. Service may be your electricity service, gas service, water service.
Okay. What is business master data?
Yeah, so and then we create the device location, then we create the
Yeah.
POD. POD we use to communicate with the different market participants. If company is
Mm.
working in the deregulated market,
Mm.
in POD there is two types of POD: technical POD and deregulated POD.
What
Business
is
master data.
difference between deregulated market and regulated market?
In
Regulated is
regulated,
like, they control
yeah,
the rate, right?
yeah, it's very nice question. Regulated market, suppose if there is only one company in the market, only one service provider, like in UP, like
Mm.
only
That is regulated.
regulated market, because there is only one company who is distributing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Suppose if we take the example of your mobile, in mobile there is
Mm.
multiple service provider. Now we have
Yeah.
option. Suppose in any service provider we get a good network, good rate, good tariff. So we switch from one service provider to another service provider. So in the
Okay.
deregulated market, there is a different uh, service provider in the market. So customer has the option which company is giving good service, which company is giving best rate. So based on the good service rate, customer can move out from that service provider and move in from this service provider.
Okay.
So this is called change of supplier.
Okay.
So in the deregulated market only there is more and more benefit for the customer. In regulated
Right.
market, uh, company has the monopoly. Company has can give any rates. Customer don't have the other choice. They have to opt
Right.
only.
Right.
And then we create a schedule master data. Schedule
Mm.
master data, we create the parameter records. In
Mm.
parameter records, we maintain your budget billing dates.
Mm.
Then we create a portion. In portion, we maintain all your billing dates. Based on
Mm.
the portion, we do the billing, and then we maintain the MRU. In MRU, we maintain
Mm.
meter reading dates. Based on meter reading dates,
Mm.
we create the meter reading order, and that meter
Mm.
reading order, we send the meter readers to take the meter readings.
Okay.
Then we maintain regional structure. In regional structure, we maintain all the address.
Okay.
In business, your master data, business partner, contract account, and your contract. When we do the moving, then contract get created, and your business partner, your business master data and technical master data is get linked through the contract.
So for a DM perspective, what is the technical master data, Narendra?
In DM perspective, technical master data means first we have to create the connection object, then we have to create premise, then we have to
Mm.
create your installation, and for the device master data, you have to create the register.
Mm.
In register, which type of the meter we are going to use.
Mm.
Then we create the material in mm.
Mm. Mm.
So based on the material, based on we take that material as a reference, and then we create that device category. In
Mm.
device category, we select which type of the register we are going to use.
Mm.
Then after creating the device category, we do the serialization of the meter,
Mm.
and we maintain the stock of that meter. Suppose your utilities company have any main office or head office where they first take all the meters or sample of the meter from the vendor. They do first quality inspection of the meter.
How
And
many are devices models are there? How many devices types are there, Narendra?
company give a list of the which of the meters company are using. Like first phase meter, in first phase meter, how many
Ah.
manufacturers are there, which type of the meter they are using. So they give some companies give more than thousands of the types of the meters
No,
list.
and types I'm talking about. Like there is a smart meter and what
So
is that?
there are only two types of means your two or three types. Your smart meter right now,
Uh,
your mechanical meter, and your digital meter. And digital meter is your electronic meter.
Smart meter, digital meter,
Previously, in the old system, that was your
uh,
mechanical meter.
chemical.
Mechanical,
Oh, mechanical meter.
mechanical meter. Then
And
after that comes that your LCD meter. That display
mm,
was like LCD display,
uh,
and in mechanical meter, your like 1, 2, 3 rounding were
right.
rotating. So that
Uh,
was your mechanical meter.
uh,
And now, right now, smart meter. In smart meter, we can get hourly 5 minutes your reading, 10 minutes reading, 15 minutes, 60 minutes
uh,
day wise
uh.
reading.
So smart meter also smart meter is LCD meter and a smart meter are not the
Yeah,
same.
means smart meter is LCD meter, and your in smart meter there is we use a chip like a SIM card. We use a chip.
Uh,
So in smart meter we also use chip, and through that your MDM we maintain a meter data
mm, mm,
management system. So we get
mm,
meter reading in the MDM,
mm,
and then from the SAP we do the through the API integration. We do the integration with the MDM,
mm,
and there are different services
mm,
which we call for the suppose if you want to meter reading, so you will create the meter reading order, and that service
mm.
will get trigger. So based on the service trigger, we will get reading from the MDM.
Okay. Okay. That is the
And
billing is same type, same. Smart or mechanical or like what is that?
actually, your AMI is only for the meter reading purpose, because in AMI there is advantage that you don't need to send your meter reading agent to go at the site and to take the meter readings. In automation, you get a reading. That reading will get in the MDM. And
Okay.
once you get